Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here, and I do hope you have all these ingredients at home because it is so simple and good. I do not want you to miss out. Okay, so to begin, start by prepping your okra like this, as it is a sure way to get the perfect texture and consistency. And this right here is actually frozen and will be prepped differently. This is the sizes that I go for with the fresh ones, but of course, if you live in any other part of the world where you can easily get fresh okra, you wouldn't need the frozen ones. But I'm bravo. Sometimes you just have to do with the frozen ones. However, the frozen ones are so convenient. They are kind of grab and go, and you will see in a while how perfect the color and texture is. So I'm going to use my food processor and blend it into smaller sizes, but there is a tip. Add a little bit of water to it, and when it gets blended, you will see how slimy it would become, especially if you're a lover of slimy okra. The water also helps to propel the blender easily. If you are abroad, do not pass it by if you see it in the shops. Look how slimy and green it is. Perfect. This is my freshly baked mackerel done this morning. It is fresh and flavorful, and this is some salted fish or Kobe. You can use any fermented fish of your choice, and that was just shrimp powder I just put aside, and some fresh prawns. Okay, you can also use dry prawns if you wish, and I have here one medium-sized chopped onions and some scotch bonnet for some heat. Okay, so I will start by dropping my Kobe or salted fish in the pan, followed by the mackerel and the prawns. It is so simple, I'm telling you, my friends. It is so simple that within 10 minutes, this okra soup is done and ready for you to enjoy your meal. So this is the prawn powder going in right now, and that will be followed by the chopped onions. Always add onions, even to plain okra. It makes all the difference. Okay, that went in with the scotch bonnet, and now I've just added water, and great infusion is in the making. On the other side sits our beautiful tomato stew, which I made first, because with the okra it doesn't take much time at all to put together. Coming back after 5 minutes, this is how our soup looks like. It is looking so fine, and since the Kobe now has released most of its salt, it is the perfect time to taste and adjust accordingly. And this is some mixed herbs I'm just adding now. We are going to try and retain all these natural flavors without adding too much seasonings to it, because it is perfect as it is. And now I'm just going to add our chopped okra. Okay, and here is a tip, friends. Just put in the bigger size of the okra first, because the smaller ones don't take too long to cook. And I'm just going to cover it and let it come to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, I come in and I whisk it up quickly. Then the processed okra will follow. And have you subscribed yet, my darling? Please go ahead and subscribe with your notification bell on to receive all future uploads. Thank you. That goes in gracefully. Oh dear. The aroma in my kitchen is out of this world. I really want you to try this. It is so good, okay? So this is what I do. I just whisk it quickly, to loosen up the okra so that all these yumminess can just go in there and infuse together and bring out the best flavors. Okay, so once that is done, look at that. It is still very slimy and it is drooling just fine. So we will only let it cook for a further 2 to 3 minutes to retain all its amazing nutrients and the nice green color, unless you want it less slimy. Then cook it for a little bit longer and keep stirring, and it is ready to be served. At this stage, you want to make sure your gari, banku, kenke, or even rice, whatever you normally have your okra with, is ready and stand by waiting for you, because I'm telling you friends, when this is ready, you simply can't wait to dig in. Okay, so this is how I served mine with some banku, baby banku. Look at the size of it. Anyway, I've got lots of vegetables with it to go with it, so it is perfect for me. Wow, thank you so much for staying with me until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave yourself a big thumbs up and subscribe so that I see you again. We stay connected and we cook delicious meals together. Do stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.